Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP180 printer software on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP180. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon support page here. This is Canon support for PIXMA MP180. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down. It says PIXMA MP180 on this page. Scroll down further underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then after selecting your operating system and version number, just keep going down and then underneath file name, My Printer, go ahead and select the My Printer file in here and the download button. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up to run it and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You want to select next on this screen and then select your region and then country and then select next. You have to agree to license terms and select yes and then next to complete the installation prerequisites there. And then once that's done, you can create a shortcut on your desktop just by keeping that option checkmarked. And then you would select complete. And hopefully at this point your printer would be recognized. If you're still having a problem, you may want to go onto your printer settings itself and see if you need to input your Wi-Fi password onto your printer. If you have a physical connection, if you have like a LAN connection or something, just make sure everything's physically connected and hooked up properly. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.